Today, we agreed on a package of further military measures to reinforce our collective defense and demonstrate the strength of Allied solidarity. We will have more planes in the air, more ships on the water, and more readiness on the land. For example, air policing aircraft will fly more sorties over the Baltic region. Allied ships will deploy to the Baltic Sea, the Eastern Mediterranean, and elsewhere as required.
Could I ask you whether you think that the numbers of US forces in Europe at present should remain around that number? Do you think it would be a mistake to pull out substantial US forces from Europe?
I've said before that I think that what has changed now in relation to this new paradigm that we have seen in the activity of the Russian forces, it's important that we now take a pause and determine what is appropriate for U.S. forces in Europe, and I'm having those conversations with my capital. We have seen a Russian force that exercised, brought itself to high readiness, positioned itself on a border, and then came across an international border, imposed its will on a sovereign nation, and now has annexed a portion of that sovereign nation. That changes things. We need to now take measures to assure our allies of our complete commitment to our Article 5 collective defense, and that's what these measures today are about.